Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can edit your photo into an analog photo by using EPIK. So first, just open your photo in EPIK, and then after that, the first step is go to filter and then find the retro category, and here you need to select the retro blue, and after that adjust it to around 60. And the next step is go to EPIK, find film, and then here select the film 1 EPIK and adjust it like this. So for the light, you can increase it to around 57, and then the rest is just you can leave it as it is, or you can also add the filter. And here I'm going to go to adjust, then I'm going to go find grain and increase it to around 30, and then highlight -20, and then here I'm going to find thin and lower it to around -50, and then lastly, okay, so you are done. So here is the before and here is the after. So you can just click on this arrow down to download the photo. Okay, so that's how you can turn your photo into an analog photo in EPIK. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to click like, thanks, and subscribe, and also leave a comment if you have any question. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.